Good morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Heath. I'm going to work with you today on your day 2 worksheets. You should have your worksheets ready to go for day 2. We have a math and a language arts worksheet that we're going to do today. And I also have my picture key ready to go so that I can use these pictures for the words when I'm on the writing page. We are going to start with math and then do language arts, and you can choose to do your reading journal when you're doing your reading today. So for math this morning, it's similar to what we did yesterday, and we're going to work on more or less, place value, fact families, and shapes. I see this is day 2. Make sure yours says day 2 as well. Today I'm going to use a marker because I'm thinking the pencil didn't show up as good. So I'm going to use a black marker, and I also have a blue marker because on our writing page it asks us to color some things blue. So I got blue out today. We're going to start with more or less in the corner here. And it says, draw the correct number of gumballs, color the machine that has more. So first I'm going to draw the correct number of gumballs. And this one says 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gumballs. This one says 1. 1. Now remember we talked about this greater than or less than symbol. The greater than or less than symbol is like an alligator mouth, and it's going to chomp down on the big number, and the pointy part is pointing to the little number. So the chomping down of the big number should be number 5. We're going to chomp down, and we're going to point the pointy part to the little number, which is number 1 here. So this is the correct symbol down here. It's pointing to the little number and chomping down the big number. We're going to move to place value right here. Count how many 10 sticks, count how many ones. I see a 10 stick right here, and I'm going to count to make sure it has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10 stick. And then count how many 1 cubes, 1, 2. So we have 1 10 stick, and that goes in the tens place. And we have 1, 2 cubes that are the ones, that goes in the ones place. So our number is 12. Fact families in this corner. Use the numbers shown to write fact families. We did this yesterday. All of these numbers together can create a fact family. Today, you're not tracing numbers as much as you did yesterday. They have a couple numbers here, and it looks like they wrote the number 7s in, so you know where 7 goes. So I know I already used 7 for my equals part right here. That means I need 6 and 1. And if I use them here, 6 and 1, I'm adding them together to make 7. 6 plus 1 makes 7. Let's check that out with our fingers. 6 fingers, 5, 6, plus 1 more should make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7. In a fact family, when you switch around the two numbers when you're doing addition, you can get the same number, 7, right here. So I'm going to put the 1 here and the 6 here this time, because 1 plus 6 also equals 7. Now, 7 is the big number for subtraction. So when you're doing subtraction, you always need the big number to be first. So both of these 7s are going to start with a subtraction. The other two numbers I'm using are 6 and 1. So let's do 6 here. 7 take away 6. Let's try that. Here's 7 fingers, and I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers do I have left? Just 1. So we're correct about that. Now, if I had 7 fingers and I took 1 away, 7, take away 1, leaves me with 6 fingers. There's our fact families. Now we're going to trace the shape and draw the shape like we did yesterday. These are different shapes today. We have a triangle. We did do triangle yesterday. Trace it. I'm going to try to draw it the same size. You can choose to do bigger or smaller. What shape is this one, guys? Do you know which one has this many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's not as easy to draw, guys. Do your best. How about a rectangle? 2 short sides, 2 long sides. 2 short sides, 2 long sides. All right, math is done. How easy was that? Let's move on to language arts. Make sure it says day 2 at the top. We are going to work on phonics, reading, and writing. Our word families are our phonics. It says write the words that are in the same word family. Oh, I'm noticing my marker bled through a little bit. I have to make sure I am careful with that tomorrow. Our word family we're using is the word 10, and the EN is the end of our word family in the word 10. So I'm going to see if I can find some EN words on my picture key. I see this one and this one and this one. And let's see if they're going to match some of the pictures here. I see 3 boys. And on my picture key, I see it's the word M-E-N, men. So I'm going to write that here, M-E-N, men, 10. What do you think this one is? You can look at your picture key if you need to. I see it's a pen. And that's spelled P-E-N. You can look at your picture key or sound it out. Last one, this looks like a bird. Maybe I'm not sure what it is, so I'm going to look at my picture key and find that bird. And it says H-E-N. Let's sound that out together. Hen. There's our word families. 10, men, pen, hen. We're moving on to reading. We're going to read this together, and this is where I'm going to need my blue marker when we're done. Let's read this together. Here we go. I am 10 years old today, with an exclamation point. They're excited about being 10. I got a new pen. Hey, that's one of our word families. I love my new red pen. I can draw with my red pen. Ooh, I heard the word pen several times in there. Now I'm going to answer these 2 questions at the bottom. It says color all of the EN words blue. That's what my blue marker's for. That was our word families words. So I see an EN word here, 10. We have pen, pen, and pen. 3 pens, 1 10. That was 4 EN words. Fantastic. Now it says, what color is his pen? Do you remember what color it was? I'm going to go back and make sure. I love my new red pen. And I see the word red is right here. I'm going to color it in with my blue marker. Red pen. We're almost done, friends. We're on to writing at the bottom. Yesterday I wrote 2 sentences. Today I'm going to write 1, and then I'm going to see if you can maybe come up with another sentence on your own. It says write 1 to 2 sentences using the picture word bank. Let's see what our picture words are. We see friends, present, cake, balloons, birthday. Wow, that sounds like a birthday party because we have friends, present, cake, balloons, birthday. What sentence could we come up with? I could use some sight words that I know, like I like, because I definitely like cake, I like presents, and I like having a birthday. How about I like cake on my birthday? Let's try that one. I like cake. There's the cake word. On my, sorry about that, guys, birthday. I'm going to put an exclamation point because I'm excited about cake on my birthday. Let's read our sentence again. I like cake on my birthday. I put an exclamation point as my punctuation, and I made sure I made finger spaces in between my words. That's something I didn't talk about yesterday, but there is a finger space in between each of my words, and I made sure I wrote them right on the line. I want you to do your best on the writing part. I know that's the most difficult part of this. So do your best, guys. Thank you for doing this with me. We have completed our day 2 worksheets, and I want to show you something I didn't show you yesterday. Once you complete your worksheets, if you would like to, you can color in your stars here saying you got it done. So we did our math and we did our language arts. And then if you want to and you do a reading journal, you can color in this star. And then if you would like, your parents can give you 3 more activities that you can do and color in the stars. For instance, you could make your bed and you get a star. You could play outside and get a star. You could clean up your room and get a star. Just a couple of choices if you would like. I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.